Have you ever heard of photocatalysts? This powerful accelerant drives a chemical reaction that causes dirt and grime to detach from a treated surface with sunlight and rainwater alone. Let's take a closer look at the secret of photocatalysis. Dirt decomposition. When ultraviolet rays strike titanium dioxide, electrons are ejected from its surface. The ejected electrons combine with oxygen to form the reactive oxygen species, superoxide anions. As a result, the holes on the treated surface through which electrons are ejected become positively charged and strip electrons from water in the air. H2O molecules deprived of electrons become highly reactive hydroxyl radicals. These superoxide anions and hydroxyl radicals work together to strongly oxidize and decompose dirt and pollutants, as well as bacteria, while weakening the adhesive bonds holding the oxidized and decomposed substances to the coating layer. Superhydrophilia. When titanium dioxide is exposed to light, it reacts with H2O in the air to form a film of highly hydrophilic hydroxy group on the coating surface. These hydrophilic groups are easily absorbed by water, including rain. Water makes its way under the dirt and lifts it up, powerfully washing it away. Antiviral, antibacterial properties. When ultraviolet rays strike the photocatalyst, the free radicals that are generated decompose viruses and bacteria that adhere to the surface. Air purification. Furthermore, the decomposing power of the photocatalyst detoxifies exhaust gases and other harmful substances in the air. Let's compare cleaning effectiveness for a surface with a photocatalytic coating versus ordinary wall material. Dirt is difficult to remove from conventional wall material. But when a photocatalytic coating is present, cleaning is much easier. Photocatalysts are being used globally, such as the glass pyramid at the Louvre Museum and the AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas.